children, today let's start with chapter number 15. That is our rights and duties. So let's study about our rights and duties. Bharat was under the British rule for about 2 centuries. It got its independence on 15th August 1947. The Constitution Assembly was set up to frame our constitution. President जो था Constitution Assembly के डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. B.R. Ambedkar चेयरमैन थे. It took 3 years to prepare the draft. कब फोर्स में आया था? 26 जनवरी 1950. And we govern ourselves as per the constitution. According to the constitution, our country is sovereign, secular, socialist and democratic. Our constitution lays down certain goals before us. They laid down the preamble of the constitution. What are the goals? That is democracy. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people and for the people. It is the form of government. People rule themselves. They elect the representatives to form a government. Socialism. Our constitution guaranteed equal opportunity to all. In Bharat, no one is discriminated on the grounds of religion, caste and gender. The government tries to reduce economic equalities among the people and to promote their economic development. Secularism means the state having no religion of its own. Bharat is a secular state. People, they are free to follow any religion of their choice. ठीक है, क्या ये फ्री है? आप कोई सा रिलीजन अपनी चॉइस को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. अगर बोल justice, social, economic, political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, equality of status and opportunity, promote fraternity, authority, the dignity of individual and the unity and the integrity. Fundamental rights. What are fundamental rights? Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to choose one religion and right to constitutional remedies. ठीक है? These fundamental rights are definite. The government or anyone else cannot deprive of these rights. If they are violated, we can go to the court or to raise our voice. Fundamental duties. There can be no rights without duties. There are two sides point. A person has a freedom to walk on road and have duty to make sure that others are not obstructed. Our constitution has listed certain fundamental duties to every citizen. There are 11. Always respect the constitution, national flag and national anthem. Cherish the noble ideas of the freedom struggle. Right? Defend our country and render national service whenever necessary. Uphold and protect sovereignty, unity and integrity of the country. Promote harmony and spirit of common brotherhood. Preserve rich heritage, protect our environment, safeguard public property. Develop the scientific temper, absorb violence and manage it. Right? Provide opportunity for education for children. Strive towards excellence in all spheres. Now the active principles. What are the active principles? People have proper living conditions. Children below 14 years of age, उनको free और compulsory education मिलेगा. Interest of weaker section like scheduled caste and scheduled tribe and other backward caste. Ensure equal pay for equal work. Children should be protected from exploitation. Steps should be taken to protect and improve the environment and safeguard forest and wildlife. The active principles are not justiciable. We cannot go to court if they are violated, but the government cannot afford to ignore them because Bharat, it is a welfareist. Right to Information Act 2005 is a landmark legislation जो empower करता है Indian citizen को to seek information from the government. कि आप information किससे लो? Government से. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.